Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Satish Srinivas Kamboj from Deshbhushan Kulbhushan Vidyalaya, Kunthalgiri. In the previous video, we have learned line segment, line, ray, congruent segments, properties of congruent segments, midpoint of a segment, comparison of segments, perpendicularity of segments or ray, distance of a point from a line. So, we are going to learn practice set 1.2. In practice set 1.2, question number 1. The following table shows points on a number line and their coordinates. Decide whether the pair of segments given below the table are congruent or not. In the table, point A, B, C, D and E and their coordinates -3, 5, 2, -7, 9 respectively. Sub question first is seg D and seg AB. The coordinates of point D and E are -7 and 9 respectively. We know that 9 is greater than -7. Length of D is equal to 9 minus in bracket -7 is equal to 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. The coordinates of points A and B are -3 and 5 respectively. We know that 5 is greater than -3. Therefore, length of AB is equal to 5 minus in bracket -3 is equal to 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Since length of D is not equal to length of AB, so D is not congruent to segment AB. Another sub question is seg BC and seg AD. The coordinates of point B and C are 5 and 2 respectively. We know that 5 is greater than 2. Therefore, length of BC is equal to 5 minus 2 equal to 3. The coordinates of points A and D are -3 and -7 respectively. We know that -3 is greater than -7. Therefore, length of AD is equal to -3 minus plus 7. -3 plus 7 is equal to 4. Another sub question is seg B and seg AD. The coordinates of points B and E are 5 and 9 respectively. We know that 9 is greater than 5. Therefore, length of B is equal to 9 minus 5 equal to 4. The coordinates of points A and D are -3 and -7 respectively. We know that -3 is greater than -7. Therefore, length of AD is equal to -3 minus in bracket -7 is equal to -3 plus 7 equal to 4. Since length of B equal to length of AD. So, segment B congruent to segment AD. Next question is point M is the midpoint of seg AB. If AB equal to 8, then find the length of AM. We have length of AB is equal to 8. Since M is the midpoint of seg AB, then length of AM equal to 1 by 2 of length of AB. Therefore, length of AM equal to 1 by 2 into 8. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So, length of AM is 4. Next question is, point P is the midpoint of seg CD. If CP equal to 2.5, find length CD. We have length of CP is equal to 2.5. Since P is the midpoint of seg CD, then length of CP equal to 1 by 2 of length of CD. Therefore, length of CD equal to 2 into length of CP is equal to 2 into 2.5 equal to 5. So, length of CD is 5. Fourth question is, if AB equal to 5 centimeter, BP equal to 2 centimeter, and AP is equal to 3.4 centimeter, compare the segments. We have length of AB is equal to 5 centimeter, length of BP equal to 2 centimeter, length of AP equal to 3.4 centimeter. We know that 5 is greater than 3.4 is greater than 2. So, length of AB is greater than length of AP is greater than length of BP. Therefore, seg AB is greater than seg AP is greater than seg BP. Fifth question is, write the answers to the following questions with reference to figure 1.13. First one is, write the name of the opposite ray of ray RP. The opposite ray of ray RP is ray RS or ray RT. Second one is, write the intersection set of ray PQ and ray RP. Intersection means छेद संच. Answer is ray PQ. Third one is, write the union set of ray PQ and ray QR. Union means संयोग संच. Answer is ray QR. Fourth one is, state the rays of which seg QR is a subset. Answer is ray QR, ray PQ, etc. Fifth one is, write the pair of opposite rays with common endpoints R, ray RQ and ray RT, etc. Sixth one is, write any two rays with common endpoint S, ray ST and ray SR, etc. And last one is, write the intersection set of ray SP and ray ST. ray SP आणि ray ST चा छेदसंच लिहा. Answer is point S. In the practice set, 1.2. Question number 6 is answer the questions with the help of figure 1.14. First one is state the points which are equidistant from point B. The coordinates of point B and C are 2 and 4 respectively. We know that 4 is greater than 2. Therefore, distance of BC equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. The coordinates of point B and A are 2 and 0 respectively. We know that 2 is greater than 0. Therefore, distance of BA equal to 2 minus 0 equal to 2. Since distance of BA equal to distance of BC, then points A and C are equidistant from point B. The coordinates of point B and D are 2 and 6 respectively. We know that 6 is greater than 2. Therefore, distance of BD is equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4. The coordinates of point B and P are 2 and minus 2 respectively. We know that 2 is greater than minus 2. Therefore, distance of BP equal to 2 minus in bracket minus 2 equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Since distance of distance of DB equal to distance of BP, then points D and P are equidistant from point B. Another sub question is write a pair of points equidistant from point Q. The coordinates of point Q and U are minus 4 and minus 5 respectively. We know that minus 4 is greater than minus 5. Therefore, distance of QU is equal to minus 4 minus in bracket minus 5 equal to minus 4 plus 5. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. The coordinates of points Q and L are minus 4 and minus 3 respectively. We know that minus 3 is greater than minus 4. Therefore, distance of QL is equal to minus 3 minus in bracket minus 4 is equal to minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1. Since distance of QU is equal to distance of QL, then points U and L are equidistant from point Q. The coordinates of points Q and R are minus 4 and minus 6 respectively. We know that minus 4 is greater than minus 6. Therefore, distance of QR equal to minus 4 minus in bracket minus 6 is equal to minus 4 plus 6 means 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. The coordinates of points Q and P are minus 4 and minus 2 respectively. We know that minus 2 is greater than minus 4. Therefore, distance of QP is equal to minus 2 minus in bracket minus 4 is equal to minus 2 minus minus plus 4 is equal to 2 is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Since distance of QR is equal to distance of QP, then points R and P are equidistant from point Q. Another sub question is find distance of UV, distance of PC, distance of VP, distance of UL. The coordinates of points U and V are -5 and 5 respectively. We know that 5 is greater than -5. Therefore, distance of UV is equal to 5 minus in bracket -5, 5 minus minus plus 5, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. The coordinates of points P and C are -2 and 4 respectively. We know that 4 is greater than -2. Therefore, distance of PC is equal to 4 minus in bracket -2 is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. The coordinates of points V and B are 5 and 2 respectively. We know that 5 is greater than 2. Therefore, distance of VP equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. The coordinates of points U and L are -5 and -3 respectively. We know that -3 is greater than -5. Therefore, distance of UL is equal to -3 minus in bracket -5 is equal to -3 minus into minus plus 5 is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Today we have complete practice set 1.2. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, share this video with your all friends, share this video with your all friends and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon. Share this video with your all friends and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon. Bye friends, have a very good day. Thank you.